Hello guys. Aji bi man jungle de ahi na ase. Hi. See guys. How beautiful, how wonderful.
So we're going to make fire here, right?
Yeah. Jui jula wo itu chire mo han noodles banai khawa.
Yeah. So let's collect for some fire, okay? So guys, we started to make fire now. Thanda thanda gulku. Now we'll go for crab catching also. So guys, the fire is already burning and we'll put water here, okay, to make the noodles. So guys, we put the masala. Ojigli do he noodles we do tala masala dena sesame la seeds pai ho he man mujana. So we'll put king chili also. So guys, we'll put the noodles, okay. Lam, you make the fire.
It's so windy, so we have cover up with the firewood.
So guys, our noodles is getting ready with raja marcha and red chili powder. Wow, it will be very tasty now. The noodles is ready. Now let's go for crab catching, okay? Namay divi do noodles do. Wow, strong lady. So here we are searching for crab. Searching for crab. So let's remove the stone and check if we find any crab or not. She's already started searching for crab. The water is so fresh. So we are finding for crab. Looking for crab. You got crab?
Yeah. Please. Please, Penny. Come and get, please.
Catch it, catch it.
Oh my God, I'm afraid.
We got a crab, guys. We got a crab. Don't let it go, okay? Catch it.
Hey, kina turi do.
Anything, we just hold it, just catch it.
Oh. Kina turi.
Oh my God, that's very big.
Yeah, very big.
Yeah, you hold it from side to side.
Here again.
Yeah. It's okay, do that bite.
Yeah.
Side to side. Wow, that's really great. Yeah.
Jesus.
Wow.
Oh my God, Merlin.
Sure. Show here. Let's capture the crab.
Wow, guys, see.
Wow,
We
that's
got
really-
it at last. Finally, we got it. Guys. Today we are very happy, okay? Because of this. Can you see?
Wow, really, that's really big.
Yeah.
We're so lucky. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and if you like my vlogs about today, please subscribe, comments, like and share. Thank you so much for watching.